wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good, I'm great. Allahu Akbar.
Here with me today, we are going to present about 5 solutions for bad habits. Before we go to the solution for bad habits, does anyone here know what is a bad habit? Can you raise your hand?
Bad.
Sure, Gina.
Bad habit is negative activity that you repeat every day.
Thank you very much. Give applause to Gina. The negative thing that we do regularly. Of course, today we are going to give you 5 solutions for bad habits. Of course, this solution is not just for a specific set of bad habits, but it can do in general for all of the bad habits. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is say no to your bad habits. It is important for you to say no to bad habits, similar to avoiding it. You have to put up your intention so you don't do the bad habits. Of course, maybe it's hard for you. If it's hard for you, you can ask someone, like friends or family, to help remind you every day. It's not instant and will eventually replace the bad habits. The second is practice self-care. This one is also important for you to know how you can take care of yourself. Such a mental and physical health. Self-care has connected with learning yourself because it is also important to change the way of living.
The third is make a plan. This is how you manage your activities. It's an optional one, but however, it's still important when you need to know and remind yourself about steps to avoid the bad habits. If you don't know how to make a plan, you can ask someone to help you out.
The fourth is reward yourself. As you start to break your bad habits, reward is needed to motivate yourself. If you have break your bad habits completely, the reward will feel less. You may feel appreciative for the things that you do.
And the last one, we have be patient. Why do we need to be patient? Because we need more time and experiences to build up our good habits and replace the bad habits. Of course, if we do it regularly, it will replace it eventually. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. I hope that this will have a lesson for you guys, and I hope that every bad habit that you guys have will be replaced eventually with our solution. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.